Yeah, girl, just let me know when you're done, and then I'll like start the video. You're obviously, you know, chugging your water like a psychopath. What's up, you guys? It's Michelle. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. If I seem a little slow right now, it's because I still haven't had my coffee for the day, which brings me to today's video where I'm going to be attempting to remake my favorite Starbucks drink. So currently my favorite drink at Starbucks is, get ready for it, it's a grande double shot on ice with 1 pump of white mocha and pumpkin cream cold foam. Now you're probably like, what is that? That sounds really weird, but it is literally like my favorite drink ever. And I just found out yesterday that on Friday, so by the time you're watching this, they're not going to be giving out any more fall drinks, and they're going to start handing out the Christmas drinks. So I need to learn how to make this like right now, because by Friday I'm not gonna be able to get this drink anymore, and that's like a serious problem for me. And by making it at home, I'm also gonna be saving a lot of money, because it's like $5 every single time I get this drink, and we gotta, you know, save that money. So there's 3 main components to the drink. So there's the white mocha, the coffee, and the cold foam. The coffee and the white mocha is like the easiest part. Where is it? I have the white mocha right here. I just got like white chocolate sauce from Walmart. This was like $4. This is basically like what they use. I think it's the same brand, or they use a brand called like Fontaine or Torani, I'm not sure. But this is like exactly what you need. And then we need 2 shots of espresso. I'm just gonna do that later with my coffee machine. But the hardest part is gonna be making the cold foam, because the way that they make it, they basically use heavy cream milk, 2 pumps of vanilla syrup, and then they use their pumpkin spice syrup, and you can't really get that anywhere, so I have to make the syrup. So let's start with the syrup. It took me like a good 3 days to find a recipe that like people liked and people said actually worked. So this recipe is from Top Secret Recipes, and this is to make the pumpkin spice syrup. So it's 1 cup of water, 1 cup of granulated sugar, 3 tablespoons of canned pumpkin puree. It's the regular puree, not the one that has like already has spice in it. 3/4 of a teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring it to a boil, then reduce the heat to simmer and let it simmer for like 10 minutes. Once you've simmered that for 10 minutes, you're gonna turn off the heat, let it cool, and then you're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk and 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Let it cool completely, and then we have our pumpkin spice syrup. Now for the actual drink, I basically just poured a little bit of the white chocolate sauce into the bottom of the cup, and then I poured 1 shot of espresso over the white mocha, and I basically did this so the coffee can help melt the white chocolate sauce. So once I finished pouring the shot, I mixed it up a little bit with a spoon, and then I added ice and a little bit of regular milk. And to make the cold foam, it's honestly really simple, and now that the syrup is all made, you just have to add 1/4 cup of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of any milk you want. I just chose regular 2% milk, and also 2 pumps of sugar-free vanilla syrup, and I blended that up for 10 seconds in my blender. And once that was done, I added 3 tablespoons of the syrup. I actually put it in the fridge for a little bit just to help cool it down, so it didn't make the foam hot. And now I have my grande double shot on ice with 1 pump of white mocha and pumpkin cream cold foam. And we are back from making the drink. Okay, so this is the final look of the drink. Honestly, I think it came out really good. If it doesn't taste like the drink, at least it looks like it, because it really does look a lot like the drink. I'm nervous. All right, so this is like, I don't know, I'm so scared. I really hope it tastes like the actual drink. I don't like drinking it from the top, because then I just get foam and it's like not that good. It's very sweet. I think I put too much white mocha, but it's really sweet. Wow, okay. It's good. I think I need to add an extra shot of espresso, because I did only pour 1 shot. So I think next time if I do 2 shots, and then I don't use so much, like I don't need to add vanilla syrup into the cold foam, then I think it'll be a lot better. Maybe also use a little bit less white mocha, but I think it's good. I think the actual like pumpkin pie spice that I got from Target, I think it needs a little bit more cinnamon. So I think before I like blend everything up, I'm gonna add a little bit more cinnamon into my drink too. I think that's what's missing from it. It has that sweetness, but it doesn't have like the extra like fall flavor, if that makes any sense. Maybe tomorrow I'll give you guys like a little update on like what I fixed to see if it'll help with the drink. So yeah, I think the pumpkin spice syrup is definitely very accurate to what they use in the store, but I definitely need to tweak some things a little bit. So tomorrow, hopefully like right now, I'll like add a little clip in of me making the drink tomorrow and like showing you what I did and what I didn't do to fix this. Hi guys, so it is the next day and I made my drink. Sorry if you really can't hear me, it's kind of windy and that's why I'm outside, because like the weather's actually nice today in Florida. I still haven't gotten it right, and I think I just need to make an entirely new syrup. Maybe like in a vlog I'll redo the syrup and then try and make the drink again. But yeah, I think the syrup is just like not similar to what the Starbucks syrup is. So I'm definitely gonna have to remake that, but I'll do that once I finish the syrup that I have now because I don't want to waste it. I might also buy a different pumpkin pie spice, like from Walmart or Publix, something that's better. I feel like that pumpkin pie spice from Target is just like sugar basically. Like it doesn't really taste like anything. So yeah, I think it's time to end the video. But yeah guys, that's basically it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching me make my favorite Starbucks drink here at home. If you haven't already, maybe try and make this drink at home. Honestly, really wasn't that difficult. The hardest part was making the syrup, and the syrup you can literally use for maybe like 30 more drinks in the future. So definitely try it out and let me know in the comments if you tried out this drink at Starbucks or you made it at home. And don't forget to like this video if you enjoyed watching and to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every week. And yeah, that's basically it guys. I'll see you guys next time.